When is it safe for your child to start using a pillow? It's a common question for parents transitioning their little ones from crib to bed. Today, we're diving into the guidelines, safety tips, and how to choose the right pillow for your child. Parents often wonder when their baby is ready to sleep with a pillow. After all, adults find pillows essential for comfort, so it seems natural to want the same for your little one. But for babies and toddlers, pillows can be more of a risk than a benefit if introduced too early. In this video, we'll cover when it's safe to introduce a pillow, how to choose the right one, and tips for ensuring a smooth and safe transition. 1. Why babies don't need pillows. Unlike adults, babies have smaller heads and softer, more flexible necks. Their natural body proportions make pillows unnecessary for proper spinal alignment during sleep. More importantly, introducing a pillow too early can pose serious safety risks, including suffocation and sudden infant death syndrome. For this reason, experts recommend keeping a baby's sleep space free of any soft bedding, pillows, or toys until they are at least 1 year old. 2. When is it safe to introduce a pillow? Most experts, including the American Academy of Pediatrics, suggest waiting until your child transitions out of the crib and into a toddler bed, typically around 18 months to 2 years old. By this age, your child's neck muscles and head control are stronger, reducing the risk of suffocation. Additionally, toddlers are more mobile during sleep, making it easier for them to adjust if they're uncomfortable. 3. Signs your child is ready for a pillow. Not all children are the same, so it's important to look for readiness cues. Here are some signs your child might be ready for a pillow. They've moved to a toddler or twin bed. They use a blanket or stuffed animal for comfort and handle them safely. They seem uncomfortable lying flat and prefer to rest their head on something soft, like a stuffed toy or your arm during naps. 4. How to choose the right pillow. Choosing the right pillow for your child is crucial for their comfort and safety. Here are some key factors to consider. Size. Look for a toddler-sized pillow, which is smaller and flatter than a standard adult pillow. A good size is about 12 by 16 inches. Firmness. The pillow should be firm enough to maintain its shape and provide support but soft enough to be comfortable. Avoid overly plush pillows, as they can increase suffocation risks. Material. Opt for hypoallergenic materials, especially if your child has allergies or sensitive skin. Cotton or organic covers with breathable fillings like memory foam or polyester are great options. Washability. Kids can be messy, so choose a pillow that's machine washable for easy cleaning. 5. How to introduce a pillow to your child. Now that you've chosen the right pillow, how do you introduce it? Start by using it during nap time to let your child adjust in a supervised setting. Watch how they respond. Do they seem comfortable, or do they toss it aside? Once they're used to the pillow during naps, gradually transition it to nighttime use. Remember to keep their sleep environment simple, no extra pillows, large blankets, or unnecessary items in their bed. 6. Common concerns about pillows. What if my child doesn't want a pillow? That's perfectly fine. Not all toddlers need or want a pillow right away. Let them adjust at their own pace, and don't force it if they seem uncomfortable. Can I use a travel pillow or adult pillow? It's best to avoid adult-sized pillows or travel pillows for young children. These aren't designed with their proportions or safety in mind. What if my child starts using a pillow earlier than recommended? If your child insists on using a pillow before age 2, choose a toddler pillow that's specifically designed for safety. Always monitor their sleep closely. 7. The benefits of using a pillow. Once your child is ready, a pillow can make their sleep more comfortable and support better posture. It can also become a comforting item, much like a favorite blanket or stuffed animal, which can make bedtime more inviting. And let's not forget, introducing a pillow can be an exciting milestone for your little one, signaling they're growing up and transitioning to the next stage of childhood. To sum it up, most children are ready to start using a pillow around 18 months to 2 years of age, when they've transitioned to a toddler bed and show signs of readiness. Choosing the right pillow, introducing it gradually, and ensuring a safe sleep environment are key to making this transition smooth and enjoyable. Do you remember the first time your child used a pillow? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear your tips and stories. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more parenting advice. Thanks for watching, and here's to a safe and restful night for your little one.